नायक में मैंने जब किया था तो उसमें it was playing a typical hero. So this is completely different. And what I like about this show, which I am saying that if I get 24 hours, you'll see it in this show. कि 24 घंटे में he gets his family together, how he gets the family together, how he fights for his country, and how he fights to save the life of the future Prime Minister of this country.
The biggest challenge has been, to be honest, is about trying to adapt a already fantastic series and very successful series and American series in an Indian context, and to make sure that Indian audience who's used to a very different kind of television, different kind of experience, to that audience, you make sure that this becomes actually relatable. It becomes something that they can accept, they can enjoy at the same time. So that has been the challenge, and I think the proof of the pudding is going to be out in, soon.
Actually, मेरे लिए challenging क्या था to bring quality which is of cinema into the hours of television, to not let go of a single moment of authenticity, of feeling, of that intensity, और उसको continue करना in a television structure and the number of hours and all of that, and great directors. So really looking forward to sometime in October.
This is an incredible show to be a part of. मैं जितना हम कहें उतना कम है. On Indian television, never before has there been this kind of content. It's incredible.
As far as the character goes, every character is extremely different. She's a very modern woman, unconventional in the sense कि इनके husband और wife के बीच में आपस में एक दरार है, और उस दरार के बीच में ये 24 घंटे आ जाते हैं. जो उथल पुथल होता है वो आप फिर इससे आगे I'll be letting the cat out of the bag. Let it suffice to say कि आप शो देखिए.